Hey, North London Toyota here. Thanks for joining us. What we have for you today is a 2017 Toyota RAV4 LE. The odometer reading on this is just under 43,000 kilometers, and this is a one-owner vehicle that has been serviced by Toyota dealers. This also comes with a clean Carfax, and of course, heated seats, Bluetooth backup camera, and of course, Toyota's great Toyota Safety Sense. Stick with me and we'll take a look at the interior now. So inside this RAV, you can see right here on your steering wheel, you do have your volume and your Bluetooth functions here. You do have your toggle switch to get through your multi-informational display unit. You'll see there, it does have the dynamic radar cruise control as well as the lane departure assist. It does come with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heated seats on both the front driver and passenger side. You can see there's a couple drive modes there, as well as your USB, which is nice and handy close to the driver. A nice display unit here. It is the home of your audio, but it is also the home of your backup camera, as you can see there. Nice black cloth seats. You can see it's clean in the back. So we'll just take a look at the back of this RAV now. As you can see, tons of space in the back. It does have that one seat down, so you can see how much room there is in here. It does come with that tonneau cover, which can be easily hidden within your car and out of the way. Hey, poor hockey bagger. Hey, North London Toyota here. Thanks for sticking with me. If you'd like to book an appointment for a test drive on this RAV or any of our new or pre-owned stock, call or text me at any time at 226-268-3504, or just come see me at North London Toyota at our new location at the corner of Highbury and Fanshawe Park Road. Just don't forget to ask for Troy. Thank you so much, everyone. I do look forward to working with you. Happy shopping.